Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I want to show you step by step on how to unlock any Android phone without password, pin code or pattern. Now I have tried this method on most of the Tecno Infinix Android and it works perfectly. This method will help you in case you have forgotten your pattern or passcode. Now power off your phone and let's continue. To factory reset this phone, you have to press and hold the volume up and then power on your phone. Then keep pressing the power button till you see the Infinix logo. As soon as the Infinix logo appears, then you release your hand and keep holding the volume up till you see the no command sign. Now hold the power button and immediately press the volume up and release your hands. Now you can see options for us to choose. Okay, now we are going for wipe data factory reset. This process will erase every data in this phone. So let's continue. As you can see, the phone is wiping data, formatting data, and just a few seconds, and then this process will be complete. Now we can reboot this phone by pressing the power button again. So guys, as you can see, the passcode and pattern has been completely erased from this phone. Okay, and as you can see, we can now use our phone without any code. In this nice video, I want to test the same method on Infinix Smart 5, and trust me, it works perfectly without any problem. So let's go ahead and try this method as soon as possible. So to get started, press power button and turn off your phone. Now to factory reset this phone, let's do the same thing again. Press and hold the volume up and then press the power button till you see the Infinix logo. Then release your hand from the power button and keep holding the volume up. Now you see the command no command sign. Press and hold the power button and press the volume up immediately and release both fingers. Now we are seeing the same option again. use the volume down and up to select wipe data factory reset, then press power to select. So this phone is wiping data, formatting data, and while we wait for a few seconds, if this process is actually delaying, do not worry, it is just fine. Now data wipe is complete. Press the power button to reboot system now.
Struggles and pain, no way, you. Please don't turn off my radio. Hey, Lord, save me, save me, save me. Lord, save me, save me, save me. Anthem, the anthem, me the anthem. Lamborghini give the anthem. We get to you anthem. Anthem, dancing be made the anthem. Lamborghini give the anthem. We get to you.
Okay guys, as you can see, this phone is completely erased from any pattern or lock. Okay, now in order for us to set up this phone, so all we need to do is click start and follow the prompt, then connect a Wi-Fi network. After connecting the Wi-Fi network, Google will ask you to sign in to your previous Gmail account. But if maybe you have forgotten it, your Gmail account and password, check out my other videos for FRP bypass.